say AYA for Moye.
Nyankopon adom ye ho ye. And I'm so happy because VP Hanome, my vice president, one was in charge of operations.
Yes.
On also Tinejum,
Yeah,
former assemblyman, former special aid to Bantu Mahine. And ye muno, ye friend of na miagasa in my life also so sabi me yiram ne to sisia na onu kra me yiram ne to de me to sabi sei me yiram ne no ho ai
Akoma FM 87.9
sa me ko bo kokoko
in
my life no me mfa no eni agro
I see
na anytime bia so a yemu bia boto a yemu no ono na
Okanya mo
na okanya ye nti me ye very happy sma be share studio ha me anso su me nua panyi Dr. Ajeni Mbuati jataba de me ya na ye nim from political circles na mrantie ni bia mo se agya ye nya wo mu na omo fa kuru nsu ano UPMPP satam na ye susu na ye be ye meeting wo ye wo fanom ne papa mu fie no na Jatabamu na the young guys.
Akoma FM 87.9.
And he had be bringing him when he has contested as a youth organizer for the New Patriotic Party. That time young could do Calabonis in Biamun and small. But you see, you chrome handsome Yana in Sembebre. And I dear Yana say a lot of them are into politics coincidentally.
Okay.
A lot of them they are into politics coincidentally. And on say trend be by say my men family home called Domina Menka Sebi na me so e ba manya appointment near Sika menya sika nti bebre no they are into politics because they are coming to steal and who show omo no mo kasa wo mo
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
what you say nti we say bebre kura pre omo kan sem o pre no aka asem ni wie na obeyi ya no a se asem no ye dindindin na ezi ye fre no awoma ontimi
I see
fie nyansa ni no
I see.
Ba man fa kwanya su na menchia otiefo. Na wo aso so mensa ma wakwa ba bi. Na menchia menua mpanyfo ama beto mo ha.
Mo me be say o clarify sa dey mame. Na no press conference e course no. Eye mo ayafo mo na mo ye.
Mame ka se minya yanka me vice president de ya no.
But I 87.9 Kumasi.
Confidence wo me mu ma men kasa ye yo me Tweneboah Koduah amete your vice president na na opon ha wotie ye nsuro bia o look you go beyond that o papa ye wotie enemy we went as far as emra ye yi Asante afrum kwabna Japan we went to court party na kasa friend MPP ye de court include Nanado Jekufo ye ne yekosa bu Jekufo me ba jo ade aze hono nti ye nya nipa ye hunu na ye ne ye ka ye hye e na ye Asante Youth Association ye ntena se ne ye ntro brofo from executives ne ya tro brofo awie na ya ko hide behind obi so obi nkokan ye nya be kan ya ade me ba jo ade aze and we have survived it ofani e po ben me kai mre bi a ye sori wo konfo anochi satan na na afi ne mpanyfo de dwumadi a hye nsa na yesi ye pe konfo anochi ye de akotena ho satan ne nipa gi yo fi ze na aban bi mre so na wo so yo bia de mpanyfo bebre metima bobo mu din wo mpia bonti be kasa mabubo mu din wo mu na ma information e po be no ma manfa ho ye kwa kodi dia brand ye ni yesi ento bi manini abi ye to bi ma brand ni ye di nkomo si ye boy pass and ye mabrumo say you dey yankumani we have survived it and we will survive it under any dispensation but let me tell you otumfo sikadwa is the embodiment of our soul and we will never exchange it for anything and to their look ubetima at radio station ubetima employ a civic village journalist amoma tenaso radio station ni ensheda ni agenda any lines be any structure no ma diatem some of us ain't mean break here but let me tell you
Akoma FM 87.9
ye dia ayaye din ne say panyi due mante panyi due mate that is how ayaye operate and Aya is a responsible body governed by Mensiana rules and regulations. Let me tell you, Aya ni yatika kumaza Asante kotoko. Aya ne kan Asante ho. it was Aya and a sorry yes ya kwa kofa se prepare free Sierra Leone and obrofo di ni dwane call socials Aya and a tea school first e was Asanteman secondary school na obi awie bi no your friend Aya secondary school yen bi no it is a privilege for us to say yen yet here emranti bebre wa santene Asanteman no enye nkwa nim nyansa na no ate ai be leaders of Aya aya ahwo a ene yenya ana sabi ya ho brase ne adwumaden a ye ban panyimfo no mu se nkwala we abababu o mu ntie mfo mu ntua no ne etua no. But let me tell you, some in your penny wa.
But who also answer my question? And I don't know how to buy.
Oh no, me body bar. Some in your penny wa. He also owns a very vibrant Asante Youth Association.
Yes,
yeah, will be could be a friend Oja or Oya. Asafo Jemu dear. You were number of groups. You are professional. Whatever, send somebody and a friend professional club. Look, all these bodies, let me tell you, Ebia sorry, no more defend Asante. Ebia sorry, Nasa Asante, or he be waka, or more defending one, yang aya, yam ni sani pakroni bakuda. Irrespective of the Nippon opinion, wakan, see a po, yang aya makabida, because aya, say yes, Nasini a lot of sprinter groups. No more Kwama Asante. Yes, you are part of Kokotokono.
Yeah, you're not bro.
And if you sit, wow, baby, now if you say, Kobe Yadia, and that a lot of journalists also no sabi monimwa, bebring nim kenkan, bebreaking ganzo amontiasie. Nasa Asante Youth Coalition bi. And surprisingly, more journalists me mama tax bi. Mo go here group no mo ye press conference no. Mo hwehwe emmanuel no mo tena animu no. It was this same woman we mo. And Asante Youth Association ye kasa ye say, ada na Central Market aka, ye nyanya monumental development bia, sa group we ya. Ana sa MPP fo ya. Omo gada wo mo maame fo ya. Meboa. Ana omo see woman so almost biom radio station almost bibia ye wo Kumase
87.9
no am ne ba ko kasawa ha ba ko kas na ni abrese eye bibia ye
and san kwafo no a wo do radio station ma o betena ho almost bibia ye wo Kumase no almost o mo mpa obi o fiz wa kasatia ohene brempon bi then you turn round because what be a radio station money structure no you see me let me tell me TK if you come after me I'll come after you my life no me so bia so that me buade pa but there is nothing about my yet to crack me for about a week or 2 weeks in the vice president yes so now pressure upon pressure calling us from here threatening us yes radio program casting insinuations oh yeah Bama so radio station now bomb din na ka sambone fa me ho and I will see you if I don't get justice today tomorrow I'll get justice. Asante Youth Association let me state it here yen ni Asante ko bia no ho ebenya ntokwada yetan sam yentan nipa and we will urge a lot of Asantesa mu wo pepa se mu be form associations upon associations to defend Krobi Asante Kotoko, to defend Sikaja, to defend Otunfo. Let me tell you, me nana ambassador Kwantabisa, the first secretary for Otunfo Pokuar, omuna building menshia secretariat na pa, ambassador to Russia, ambassador to Libya. Okasembi chile was say. So wa mo Sikaja ho ba no wa mo Otunfo ho ban ya. Na wo do Asante di agura, ubenya ohini bia, ana obenya nipa boni ni bia. Obeka chile wo say for utibra ni ntwa. Ba wo Asante hina no fro se fa won sambra wo de bia won twa kakra afi bia wo twa ba ko a anye bia wo bedi mfie 10 years meboa na wo konya ohini bia ntimu odin a wo no tan Asante a obetwa oti prekope enti yan we will defend Otunfo and defend Sikaja with our blood and with everything na yan sum Otunfo nso so sabi ema ye ho nkire ye da me I have a testimony of our testimony that Tabati has a testimony me pa what you say enti aya yenya press conference bia
but you know there a course no
this is how we support no obi kwama Asante ane na akokunto
I mean that is what I wanted to say
no make catch one but let me tell you yanu say na operate ni anytime bia ye to ye boase mananan mu take decision asem no aba no sabi mimiti yi me vice president yi ni eni veti na sibi me pa cho what ase nti asɛm aba no mensia de asɛm papa mfo ama asɛm bɔne de wobɛba ɛna nananom de yɛateɛ no sɛ ɔmaka kyerɛ yɛde hyeɛ justice Koduah sɛ deɛ asɛm no fa no ho no wɔmfa ne mmra yɛnya mfa ne maaye meboa enti yɛnya ntie nsuo deɛ ne yɛntie awia deɛ ɛyɛ dɛ ne yɛkɔ organize press conference ne yɛkɔka asɛm enti yɛbɛyɛ din ne atwɛn deɛ nananom nkurom bɛbɔ asɛm a bɛfiri mu aba ansa ne yɛpaase yɛ verdict that is how yɛ operate yɛ intelligent people yɛnte ɔkɔ me te one me kura me sɛ meyɛ me masters what do you say what teach for 16 to 20 good years yɛwɔ medical doctor senior medical doctor who is our president yɛwɔ a DC who is our PRO yɛwɔ a fantastic lady young lady entrepreneur yɛni business then we have responsible patrons like Kofi Anane. We have responsible patrons like Dr. Ahmed. We have responsible patrons like Nanadu Semu and Co. And we don't we enfa yani niagro. Ayano so kasikadwa ho. Me patwa ti ase. Ono ti se mo am ko wi mu kukutire. Na ehu na wodaye mu anwumra. Enfa ho ntansan mesan ya. And if you know said there is a certain ticket, there is a certain job upon. Ah, we will be a fire be ehu a. And your madam minia obi anu ope for asem pa ko
tike me da se me ba hobi o me sa ba ho na abusu our general secretary de ma Ashanti Youth Association